out the ignition. Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit.
Hey everyone, so for today's Valentine's Day look, I figured I would do something just a little different. I wanted to do a little pink graphic liner moment for you, so if this is something that interests you or you want to learn how to do, then please keep watching. As you guys can tell, I am using a little cotton swab and I'm using this Tarte makeup cleanser and I'm taking off that previous eyeshadow look. Now I'm just going to be taking my e.l.f. concealer and I'm going to be concealing my eyelids to get all of that red and pink off of it. And then this is a good step to use as well for the primer for your eyeshadow base. Next, I'm just laying down a very nude shade on my eyelid. I used a shade out of the Morphe palette, and as always, I will list everything down below. Now for the fun part, I am using the Morphe palette, which is the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2, and I am using Lolli Mama, and I am creating a wing with that color. So I'm just taking my angled brush and lightly stamping that throughout my eye, getting the shape and the thickness that I really want to create. So here I'm just being very careful and I want to work with my angled brush in a kind of stamp-like motion. So I'm just lightly working the brush upward to give it the look I really want to get. So now that your line is as long as you want it, I like to personally follow the hollows of my eye. Now I like to do this just because it's an easy way to feel with your brush and your fingers if you want to know where to place that product. So when you're going inwards, it gives a good guide on how far to bring that product. Now that most of the work is done, you can go and fill in any of the lines that you want to make a little bit more thicker than the others, or if you want to make them thinner, you can go in with concealer and just make those thinner. So now I'm going in with this Barbie pink liner, which is actually a liquid lipstick, and I'm using our graphic liner that we already have down as my guide. So this is really great because the work is pretty much already done for you and you're just making sure those lines are looking good together basically. Now I'm just going to be putting on my House of Lashes that I had on earlier and make sure they are nice and secure. And there you have it for your fun graphic liner Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys enjoyed so much, and as always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. I love you all so much. Hugs and kisses. Mwah.